Okay, so in this video, I'm going to show you how to set up a ChatGPT account and get started within a few minutes. So I went over here to Google. I'm searching ChatGPT. It's the first one here. If your Google search results are the same as mine, which is that openai.com/blog forward slash ChatGPT, right? And I'm going to go ahead and try ChatGPT. So it's important to know that ChatGPT is a software that is part of OpenAI AI. So you're actually signing up for OpenAI. So I'm going to go ahead. Oh, sorry. I'm going to actually go sign up for a new one. Here you can continue with Google and just sign up with a different email just for the purposes of showing this off. Checking in on your browser. I'm human. And we're going to go ahead and verify. Powered by Cloudflare. Okay, great. So I'm going to say I'm Kaila Love. Put in my phone number, 306-2009. Go ahead and send me a code. Oh, so you can't use a virtual phone number. So this is like a Google Voice number. So I'm going to have to blur out my phone number for the video. Then it goes to the code that was just entered. All right. So once you go ahead and do all of that, this is what ChatGPT looks like. Now, this is free for now. I'm sure that's going to change, but if you're watching this as of February 22nd, ChatGPT is free. I think they're floating around a like $20 a month subscription, which I think, in my opinion, is worth it because this go crazy. So here, this gives you some examples of things that you can ask, and you can literally just click that and you can see that it's able to generate an answer much more kind of complex than Google. So in this module, I'm going to show you specifically ways that you can ask ChatGPT for specific things to help you out in your music career.